Let's go here. I'll go to create. Okay, create, and then I'll go to custom size. I have here inch, and I'll go here 8.5 by 11 by 11. Okay, and then I'm going to create it. I'm going to create my page, create my design. So I have my design right here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to elements. Okay, I say elements. Elements have stuff, copyrighted stuff. They belong to Canva. I cannot use them freely. I'm going to show you how you can make your own designs in Canva without using elements. Okay, go to elements right here, and then you see here search elements. You can search up elements in Canva, but you can also generate your own right here.